Always check your fuel. We're gonna let this sit for a couple minutes. Pretty damn dusty, but we'll see how it does tonight. Pretty clean. I love the lowered look. It's only messing with the yellow pumps now, so that's pretty awesome. So we're heading out to this meet, and there should be a handful of cars coming out tonight, so we can see what we stack up against. I just stopped by the ethanol station, pumped up a little bit. I accidentally overfilled. That shit went to full. Oh my god, I overfilled, guys. Fuck it, we're gonna have to burn some out on the way over there. I wanted to keep it a little bit above halfway. I actually got about like 90% of a full tank, so we're gonna have to burn some of that off on the way over there. And there should be a handful of cars coming out tonight. I don't know, guys, there's a slight possibility that it might drizzle a little bit, so in that case, if it does, then you know we're gonna have to call it a night and just not head out and go back home. But if it stays dry, then you know we're definitely gonna hit the streets of Mexico and, you know, test out the GTI against other people's builds and see how we do. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos for you guys, so looking forward to it, and we can see who we can get stacked up against tonight. We got an M3 coming, guys. Pulled over. Oh shit, he ran from the cops. That's fucking crazy, bro. Yo, that was pretty damn crazy. Oh fuck, this is the same fucking guy. Oh shit, he made it, bro. That's fucking insane, dude. Park with the GTIs, if there is any. Scoping out the lot a little bit. Alright guys, here we go. We got a lot of Z's, a lot of G's, a lot of I see some Evos back there. We got some GTIs. Actually not too many GTIs. Yeah, we're one of the few. We got some SIs over here and some V8s, so we got a good pretty good mix up. Check it out. Hella Evos. Hell yeah. A couple of STs. Time to roll out. right, there it is. You've seen some pretty good runs. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, guys. I'm pretty damn tired. I'd say it was a pretty successful night. Pretty crazy. Started off with that cop on the way there to the meetup. That Q60 that just kept going. It's crazy. It was a good, successful night, and there was no rain. Everything was pretty good. Freeways were dry, so yeah, cannot complain for that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you don't already follow me on the IG, feel free to do so. It is jules.mk7. By the way, there was a lot of back and forth driving. My tank is basically the same level it was when I headed out tonight. So that goes to show you how quick the ethanol can get drained up. I did go pretty far distance though. We went kind of all over out there in Mexico. You know, Mexico is pretty far, so it's a good distance. Oh, it's got the police right here. Can I make this turn though? Cool. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.